Right, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday evening. I hope you had a lovely day. And yes, we've got an update, isn't it? Yeah, ZANU PF never ceases to amaze us. Each and every day they are pulling a move and they are not at rest until they get their way. Actually, the latest is Paul Tungwarara. Hansi presidential advisor Paul Tungwarara, he has announced that he will spend more than 170,000 US dollars to reward 17 owners of X accounts, formerly Twitter, with each person receiving 10,000 US dollars for what he described as the efforts to defend President Mnangagwa during the period when Rutendo Matinyarare was publicly criticizing and attacking the president. Tungwarara said these individuals did everything within their power to defend both the president and the first family on social media. This comes after Rutendo Matinyarare was given a Toyota Land Cruiser and 200,000 US dollars after agreeing to apologize to the president. Tungwarara provided the list of the X account holders who will each receive 10,000 US dollars. Saka pavapaiswa mazita acho Hansi Snowball, Mukungunugwa, Kudza MTC, Jones Musara, Bashona, Padare Enkundleni, Alligator Pardon, Muchina Muhombe, Dr. Ruru Sindi Soko, Shumbakadzi, Zimfit, Tino Chibage, Musikavanhu, Gassen, yakanzi Shangri-La or something like that. Yeah, Saka, this is the latest of what is happening right now. Saka, basically, what's happening is ZANU PF are buying support online. Most of these wars are being fought on social media. Saka, first target yava vaita X hanzi tikupa 10,000. Anyone who says something positive about President Mnangagwa, about CAP 3, about ZANU PF, really is going to get rewarded. Saka, they are trying to incentivize people to actually say positive things about ZANU PF because, well, of late, really, from time immemorial, really, people have never really been indebted to ZANU PF. If you just get 1/100, those few people that, oriented towards ZANU PF, but basically speaking, they have no support at all on social media. So they're trying to now buy Vanu using this thing here because obviously, after seeing that people got my 10,000, people are going to be motivated to now speak positively towards ZANU PF. Zvese izvi zvichitangwa naRutendo Matinyarare, whose silence was bought, akatengerwa mota, akapiwa Toyota Land Cruiser iyo, akapiwa 200,000, hanzi tiri kukubhadhara zvikweretu zvako. And from then he has gone mum, he has gone silent. And haachatuki regime yaEmmerson Mnangagwa. So these are the latest developments, people of Zimbabwe zviri kuitika munomu at the current moment. So there were some vangoisawo macomments avo. Let's see here what the people are saying. Hanzi Nawanga Baga, hanzi zvakaoma, hanzi what a shame naipo ndiko kuvaka nyika here ikoku. Hanzi watch how people will start to twerk on Twitter. That's the thing that we are saying here. People are going to really start to twerk on all social media platforms, really, for recognition, for the dollar, for financial reward, because ZANU PF yataona kuti tactic yavo inogona kuvashandira iyoyo. Saka yeah, these are some of the things that are happening right now. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also feel free to like, to comment, and to share this publication. Until the next video, guys, it's good night for now.